Welcome to the channel. So as you're watching, you're seeing me start my suspension on the Fairlane. The first part of the video for the intro, don't know what happened to it. It just didn't work. So here I am, knocking that stuff out. So sit back and watch. Right, so I got all the suspension in that you saw all the time lapse with. The last little bit I didn't really film, but I can take a look underneath. I also put the rear shocks on, which I forgot to film. But everything's in on that side. You can see it. Everything's in. And then, let's see, all up through there. So everything's in. Power steering pump is in. All the power steering works now. I did get valve covers. Bought them off eBay. They were pretty dirty, but I cleaned them all up, and now they look like this. So these are stock. They're from a 66 or a 65. 66, I believe. So it is off of another engine, same year. But yeah, they're in great shape. Cleaned them all up. I have new tires. Haven't put them on yet. I need to get an alignment. Let's see. I'm going ahead. I got power steering fluid or Type F transmission fluid all over the engine because it burped out a few times. So I'm going to clean all that up. And got some seafoam, well, the gum out version, and see if I can maybe clean the valves. Maybe they're causing a lot of the smoking. I don't know, probably not, but we're gonna try it anyway. See what else. Yeah, rear shocks are in, brand new. You can see they're black. I don't even notice, but I put a new mat in there as well. I think that's about it. So I did put the seals in. Obviously, you saw the video on that. They fit okay. I think I could have been better at it. I did get a steam cleaner, and I'm waiting for it to come in, and I'm going to clean the entire interior. I'll have to do that floor pan later. That whole floor pan's actually kind of spongy and crusty. I'm not sure how much is good and how much isn't until I pull that rug off. And then I don't know, we'll see what happens after the fact, but it is running and driving pretty nice, except for the fact that the steering is way off. Gotta get it aligned. But that's where I'm at right now. A couple little things to touch up. Gotta get that together. I was looking for another fender, but I think I'm just gonna hold on to that one until one comes across, maybe at a swap meet or something. Gotta glue on the old emblem. I gotta attach all this. This is still kind of messed up, or just kind of cockeyed. Replace some of these. Replace the little rubber strip on the little seal right on the hood. I need to fix this, order a new one of these bags and a pump, and I need to figure out my motor, I might pull that off. It was kind of, you know, last minute things I don't really care about because I'm not actually driving it. I got a new rear seal to the window, so I'll be able to go ahead and pull this seal off, touch up all the rust spots. Hopefully it's only this section and that corner and it doesn't run all the way to the end. I don't believe I have any issues up here. I believe my issues are down in these corners. So hopefully I'll get those, get that cleared up, and then prime this section, and then maybe throw some Walmart baby blue on it or something that I find. But it's coming together. It's getting there. I'm hoping this week it'll be driving down the road smoking like a chimney. I still have the dent on the hood I gotta square away. I gotta get a puller for this. There's no way I'll be able to just do it by banging it out. The frame right here is bent itself, so I'm gonna have to pull this out, push this in, pull that out, and hopefully I can get it straight close. But I may be looking for a hood as well. So if you happen to be in the South Carolina, North Carolina, even Georgia, North Georgia area, and you have a fender and a hood for a 66 with the trim that goes on the side and the bottom, I may be interested. Anyway, that's all for now. So until next time.